Have you ever traveled to Japan during the rainy season? If so, you may have noticed a particular item that stands out, the Japanese folding umbrella. These umbrellas are not your ordinary umbrellas. They're designed to be incredibly compact and practical, making them a traveler's dream. Imagine being able to carry an umbrella in your bag, suitcase, or even your pocket. That's the beauty of a Japanese folding umbrella. But don't let their small size fool you. When opened, they offer coverage similar to that of a full-sized umbrella. And the quality is exceptional. Crafted with top-notch materials and attention to detail, these umbrellas are built to last. So, if you find yourself in Japan during the rainy season, consider picking up a Japanese folding umbrella. One of the folding umbrellas I recommend is Muji's umbrella that warms in two ways. When it's wet from the rain, you can fold it long, and when it's dry, you can fold it short, making it very convenient. Moreover, it's priced at 2,990 yen, which is very affordable. Another folding umbrella I recommend is Uniqlo's UV Cut Compact Umbrella. It's very compact, and the design ensures that you don't lose the cover, which is very Japanese in its thoughtfulness. If you're in the city center, there are many Uniqlo stores, so you can buy it almost anywhere. Moreover, it's surprisingly priced at 1,990 yen. It'll be a lifesaver during unexpected downpours and a wonderful souvenir.